David Licao to update. Yan event ni David kasama ang mga Bardonatics para sa 11 years anniversary ng kanyang showbiz story. Yan. Sa mga fans ni David. Ito yung speech ni David Gasoldo.
Hindi ko in-expect na may ganito. So really, I am in shock and I am overwhelmed with all of your presence sa gulat ako. So, nakakatuwa na may ganito. So, thank you so much to Bardon officials. And salamat sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. It's been so many years now and you're still supporting me. So, I really appreciate that. Tsaka, ayun, sa mga naghanda nito, nag-organize nito, thank you. I don't know, I'm really shy when it comes to like things like this na I'm being celebrated. So I feel like para sa atin tong lahat, di ba? It's not for me. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.